In this video, we're going to demonstrate how you are able to select lines based on the number of trips between two specific dates. We'll begin this demonstration right over here in the Value Searches category, and we're going to choose Credit Time Minimum when we're going to enter 1 hour. Now, this is a common strategy that we use, and the reason for using this strategy is because every line in the bid package contains at least 1 hour of credit time. So that causes the program to select every line in the bid package and put them all into Bank 1. So the result is 506 lines that have been selected into Bank 1. Now we want to change the order that they're arranged within the bank. By default, they're in line number order. So we're going to open up this feature and we're going to select a number of trips between. Now, for example, we could put the 10th as the first date and the 20th as the second date. It defaults to least to most. So what we're doing is telling the program to take all of these 506 lines and arrange them in order of least amount of trips between the 10th and the 20th. So let's take a look and see how that worked out. We take a look and we can see between the 10th and the 20th, the program started out with putting those top 3 lines that have no trips between the 10th and the 20th at the top, and then filtering down to 1 trip between the 10th and the 20th. And as we scroll down, we would see further down that it would add 2 trips, then 3 trips. But it's doing its best to preserve that original request of as few trips as possible between the 10th and the 20th. Now let's return to the bidding program screen and just demonstrate to you that you can apply this to the entire month if you wanted. So for example, we can say we want to see the least amount of trips, the fewest number of trips between the 1st and the 30th. Again, least to most. It's the same 506 lines. There was no new search that was initiated. And when we close the menu shade and take a look, we can see that the program has selected those lines that have 3 trips for the entire month and move them to the top of the list. And it will slowly filter from there to a gradually larger number of trips between the 1st and the 30th. But you can see again the power and the flexibility that you have in using the program to maximize your flying and days off. And this concludes our video on selecting the number of trips between 2 specific dates.